so I can post this later for future reference. So for your art project, I kind of wanted to give you an idea so you can work while you're waiting for yearbook stuff to do, okay? It's really hard for all of us to be doing, now that some pages are finished, we won't be working the same thing all the time, like all together. So while you're not working on a yearbook, you're working on your art project, okay? So one thing, it's gonna be a Pixlr project. So we're gonna do, you go to pixlr.com, and all the tutorials that are there are for Pixlr E. Pixlr E is a more advanced than the Pixlr X. You give you more options. So what I asked you to do is to create an artwork that shows contrast and movement. Okay, well, the theme is up to you. So what you can do, what you're gonna do, you're gonna draw using Pixlr. And this on the screen, just for curiosity, is portrait mosaics, what I did with the art one. All right, so what you have to do is you're gonna open an image. Oh, I'm sorry. You're gonna create new. Okay, and do, these are mostly, bless you, mostly done for web. So full HD is fine. You're gonna title it. You're gonna title your name, okay? And you're gonna create. So this is your first layer. I guess it's gonna be landscape. This is your first layer. Then what you're going to be doing, you're gonna choose your inspiration, whatever it is that you wanna work for your artwork, okay? Let's say I wanna do, I'm gonna do a tiger. Okay, so I'm gonna find, oops, not Tiger Woods, tiger. All right, so I'm gonna do a front face of a tiger. So I'm gonna maybe click this one. I don't know. I'm gonna copy this image. I don't know if Pixlr can copy and paste. If not, I have to save the image. But you're gonna copy the image, go back to Pixlr. I'm gonna paste the image here. So this is my reference, okay? It's not the artwork. Then see over here on the side here says image, layer 1. So layers, you create different layers if you're doing different things. It helps you to work without messing up your original picture. So you should always have a layer on top of your reference. Now, these 3 dots here kind of adjust the layer settings. I'm gonna reduce my brightness here, make it more transparent, and that's just gonna help with the next step. I'm gonna tell you what it is. So here on layer 1, I'm gonna draw the tiger. Actually, I'm gonna lower the transparency for the top layer 2. Did I do the tiger again? Let's see. Okay, no. All right. So here, over here on the Lasso Tool right over here, you're going to click I like the Polygon Tool better than the free tool, because the free tool gets really jaggedy lines. The Polygon helps you have like sharper lines. I'm gonna draw the head of the tiger. So choose the Polygon tool. Now here on the bottom here, you can change the color and you can color pick. So here's the color pick. I click on here. See the plus sign there, the color pick was brought up. So I'm gonna choose, I guess I'll choose this gray here. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And then I'm coming with my polygon and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit or less. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna come here, click, click, click. I'm tracing this part. Click, 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 click. I'm not doing the black because then I'm gonna do the black by itself. Click, click, click. When you close the shape that you're drawing, it's gonna be selected like this. See this lines in there. So what you do is you go to your color, to this fill layer, which is this paint bucket here, and then you're going to click on it, and then you're gonna drop the color. Now that color, I made it transparent because I wanna see what's underneath to help me work, okay? But you can actually make it 100% and will be like that. Then what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go to the color picker, to the lasso tool again, and then I'm gonna choose the polygon again, and then I'm gonna do the black part. So one, click, click, I'm gonna just make those two stripes together. Click, 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 until it closed. Now I want a black, and I can color pick here, but I know this is black, so well, I'm just gonna do like this. Pick, click OK, click the fill bucket, and drop the color. All right? And this way, with whatever image you want, you're going to make this drawing using Pixlr. Okay, now this does not need to be the whole part of your artwork. It could be just a part of the artwork, all right? But I want you to choose one image and get it to Pixlr and start drawing with Pixlr. You can select here and deselect. Now, always work on the layer on top of the image. See, here's my image. If I click here, I can turn it off. And the layers on the top. Now, if I like this, and then I want to do the eyes, I can create even more layers. And empty layer, and then just maybe rename it. I'm gonna say eyes. And then I'm going to do this layer, the eyes on this layer, because if I mess up with anything here, then I don't mess up this layer that I already start drawing, okay? Now, when you save, you're gonna do this. You're gonna go File, Save. Then you're gonna choose PXD. You have to choose PXD. If you choose anything else, will flatten your work, and then when you open again, you won't be able to see the layers, okay? It needs to be PXD. So don't forget. And then you're gonna click Download. Now, you guys need to do a little bit of imagining with this explanation here, because this part, it's a little complicated, if you will, because on your computer, because you don't have permissions, it doesn't, you're gonna get that message that says cannot save or something, but it is downloaded, but you won't be able to see. If you go here, this guy here, you have one, that's the file explorer. If you click on it here, you won't be able to go to the downloads documents. Please pay attention now, because it will be confusing later. So what you're gonna do is over here, see, when you go to quick access, my recent files, see here, I have all the recent files that I work with, but I don't have that PXD file that I just downloaded. So what I have to do is, on your types here to search you have on your computer, you're going to click on it, start typing your name, the name that you saved. See over here, PXD file. you're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna have a message that's gonna say cannot open file. Oh, here. How do you want to open this file? It does not matter because you're not going to open the file. You cannot open the file from the desktop. You have to be on Pixlr online. So you're going to click away anywhere. But now look, my code and PXD showed up on the recent files. Then what you're going to do, you're going to go to student share, right? Student share is all going to be over here. You're going to click on it, and you're going to click this and drop on your student share folder. And that's how you save it. Okay? I will put all of this online for you to watch and refer back to it. But I'm going to let you work now.